Hi YouTube. Why you gotta make me laugh? That's why I don't like you in here. Okay, anyways. Hi YouTube. It's me Sadia with another video. And I got my Brazilian wave / curly hair from Peak. And they came with a card. Yeah, there's a card in here, and then this how it came. It looks so cute, don't it? It looks so cute. This how it came. It also came with a letter. Came another wrap. This is how it came. I got 2 bundles. I didn't want to get 3. And there's a lot. There's a lot in there. So, I don't think I needed 3. Yeah. This is a 16 inch. 16 inch, and then this is the 14 inch. It's gonna reach me up here. 16 reach me down here. I'm really short, that's why I didn't get nothing longer than these, and it's true to its length yet. So this is really 16. I don't know how it's gonna be. It has a smell to it, but it's not like a smell that is like you can't take. It smells good actually, but it have a little weird smell, but it's good. I don't know. I don't know. It just smells good to me. I don't smell fresh, like fresh Indian hair, like I don't know, Brazilian hair or something. It just smell like it just came out the person's head. Excuse me, it's my phone. Sorry, but it smells really good. It don't smell good like perfumey. It just smells like, I don't know. I like it. It's just I can't explain how it smells. You guys have to get the hair to know how it smells. So I got the hair when it was on sale. I was watching one of the YouTube videos of, shoot, I forgot her name. I'll put the name on the description box or in the video somewhere. And she had a video and she was telling how it was on sale. And I was like, oh my gosh, on sale? So I went to the website. And I got this. I got the 16 inch for $90, and then I got this for $80. And plus, you know, shipping and handling. So 90 for 16, 80 for the 14 inch. And it came in 4 days, so it didn't take long at all. It came in 4 days. It took 4 days for it to get here. So this is the Dhair Boutique. It's really good. It feels really, I didn't even wash it, and it feels really soft. So, comes like this. It feels really good. I'm trying to open it out for you guys. take out the smell of that funny smell out the hair. So I take fabric softener, not a lot, like up to here, not even halfway full, okay? Just a little bit fabric softener. I don't know if y'all see that. Not much, just a little bit. And you're just gonna let it soak. Just letting it soak in the fabric softener. Just because of the smell. Not for any reason. Just the smell. Now, yes, the smell is gone. Oh, perfect. The smell is gone. Now I'm going to be walking around smelling like fabric softener. I don't mind. Okay? Hey you guys, so I hope you guys liked the hair that what I did or enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The hair was from Dhair Boutique. I got the hair when it was on sale. I got the 16-inch for $90 and the 14-inch for $80. The hair did not tangle at all when I was washing it. The comb went through and everything. It didn't have no colors in it, so it was really virgin hair. There was no dye installed or anything, any odd color coming out when I was washing it. It only shed like one or two strands when I was washing it out. But that's okay, and I'm not gonna seal the wefts. I'm gonna leave it as is so I can give you guys an honest review of it when it's not sealed. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to sew the hair onto my cornrows, or should I do a 3/4 wig, half wig, or let me know what I should do. I don't know what to do. And if I do a 3/4 U-part wig, I'll just do a tutorial on YouTube, show you guys how I do that. What else? Oh, the KIMA hair, the KIMA 125 Harlem hair was a mess, okay? The thing tangled. I only had it in for 1 week. The second week, it was tangling. It was crazy. That's why I have my hair out. I did a braid out. And I just pinned my hair all the way up. So, yeah. So, yeah, I just pinned my hair up. Because that Harlem hair was shedding like crazy. It was shedding every time I brushed it. It tangled. I don't even know. That hair was terrible for me. Everybody's different. That Harlem hair was not working it. But yeah, and I hope you guys like the video, how I washed the hair, the Dhair Boutique. Yeah, I'm going back to the hair. I love this. I'll do a review on that when I install it, show you guys how I install it. and everything. So look out for that video. Oh, my outfit for today, I went shopping and I wore this today. These earrings. You won't find these anywhere because I got these from the thrift store. Yes, the thrift store. So these earrings. And if you get anything from the thrift store, make sure you clean with alcohol and disinfect it. Don't put it in your ear just like that. I'm wearing this jacket. I don't even know where I got this from. With a hoodie. And it ties around the hip, waist, got pockets. I'm just wearing a tank top underneath. A black tank top. You know, black tank top. Whoop, skin. Too much skin. There's a black tank top. You know, whatever. Some jeggings. And these boots. Okay? So, this is how I look. Hey. But yeah, this is what I wore today. Didn't really, excuse me. Oh. I didn't really put anything on. No jewelry, just these earrings, jacket, you know, no makeup. So yeah, hope you guys like my video. See you in the next one. Bye.